Hey guys, it's Lydia and I'm back with a makeup tutorial video for you guys, and I'm just going to talk about um what I will be using on this video. So I always start with moisturizing my face. I'm using this moisturizer. I usually use a regular moisturizer or coconut oil. And now I will be using this foundation. It is the Born This Way Warm Sand. And now I am going to do my eyebrows with the Beverly Hills Ebony Dip Brow. So what I will be using now to conceal my eyebrows is the Contour Cream Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this kit is really good. I've had it for so long now and I still have a lot left. And honestly, this concealer it's just to make your eyebrows give it shape and make it look like you just got your eyebrows done. And this is the Laura Mercier concealer. I don't know what shade this is. And basically just using it to prime my eyes before I add my eyeshadow. I know I need to give me a primer, but I'm just trying to use this concealer because one is too light for my skin tone and I want to get a new one. So now I'm going to be applying some eyeshadow, and this is the Urban Decay Heat Naked, and I'm going to be applying the, damn it, what color was that? Okay, this is called the Sauce. And I love this color because it looks very natural, and I think it just matches with anything. Like if you're running out of time to do your eyeshadow, you can just add some of that color and it looks nice. And I think it looks nice for a fall as well as a fall color. It's really pretty. And what am I doing right now? Okay, right now I'm going to be applying the same thing I use for my eyebrows. And honestly, you can do this, or use an eyeliner. And I don't know what I'm doing here, but right now I'm just going to put that in the corner of my eye. And what I will be applying now is the Stay Gold from Urban Decay Kristen Lean. I can't pronounce her last name, but I will put it in there. But this thing has beautiful colors. I use this more for the summer. It has like a hot pink color, orange. It has the gold, pink, blue, purple. I love this. Now I'll be applying some concealer. Same concealer I use for my eyebrows. And yeah. And now I'm just blending my whole face. I am now spraying my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. And I am now using the Sephora blush palette. I am now using the Kat Von D called Lolita. Okay, and now I am applying my favorite mascara, the DDK4D mascara. This mascara is really, really good. It does make your lashes long. Oh my god, I'm sorry. That's my dog barking. But anyways, I'm applying mascara to my bottom lashes, and I did apply some fake lashes too. And I am setting my face now with the Urban Decay. And thank you guys for watching.